Love it.
Altitude. Altitude.
My head.
Here we go.
This suit weirded me out.
Viper 01, Minneapolis departure.
Rolling it up here. What do you think?
Contact, climb maintain 17.
Okay, it's Elizabeth Banks. I just came down from flying in an F-16. I can barely feel my face. I'm in Minnesota where the Super Bowl is happening. You guys got to check out the flyover. It's going to be live streamed. I highly recommend. I hung out with all the pilots today. They're amazing, and they're really excited to do this for you and for America. It's going to be awesome. Have a fun Super Bowl.